Let's recap what we have done so far. We have created a config file where we return an array and an associative array, where key is the database and other keys are host, db name, user, password. Because if someone want to change it, he can change it easily. Then we have done the connection class where we pass the config. By getting it here, we passed it there, and we pass with the associative array key database. Then we change it here. Another thing we have done, we created two tables and classes, posts and users, where we were needed to PDO instance, and we pass it from here. We get the PDO connection here and pass it from there. And this is the index file, but index file should not responsible for it. Let's move a bootstrap file. And let's move the code it there. Then we have to connect the bootstrap file here. Let's reload the page. Yeah, working perfectly. Now let's create some views. You see we have some HTML here. This is our dashboard view and other views. Let's create a folder called views. And let's move index view. Then we have to need a login view. Register view, and we need post create view, and edit view, okay. Let's move on. Let's call the index view. Yeah. So our index view is blank. Let's copy the index from here. And we need CSS. So let's create a folder called maybe public. We have assets here. Let's copy this and move it to public folder. Let's connect it. We have views and publics, so we have to get out from the views. Then we have to enter public / assets. Let's see what we get. So this is our dashboard file. Okay, so in files we have some common part, that is header and footer. So let's create some partials. Then let's create a file called header and footer. Let's copy the header file. Where we can copy, let's see. So this is our header part. So we have to change the path. Let's require it here. We can put it the dir function of the PHP to require it without problem. So where is our partials? In the partials folder. Let's see if it working or not. Yeah, working. Let's create a footer. And require it like this. Okay, it's working, and I will do this way other parts as well behind the scene.